Mitchell, who's performing all by herself, just like she wrote it. This is Why We Built the Wall.
Pina, Jones.
Mitchell met Why We Built the Wall uit de